Welcome to another episode of Hip Hop Breakdown. My name is Ceech, and today we have the lovely Akua helping me with this video. Let's just watch this simple hip hop warm-up routine in its entirety. Then we'll go into detail, or as we like to call it, break down each move, step by step. And the goal is that by the end of this video, you will be able to dance along with this video. In this routine, we will perform each move for 2/8 counts. Then we will transition to another move. Now the key to a smooth transition is practice and remember what move is next. It's gonna take a little bit of practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. I promise you that you will be able to do it. You will be able to make it smooth with enough practice. As we come towards the end of the routine, I always encourage dance partners to give each other high fives. This helps to keep the positive vibe. Now let's start at the beginning. We will march for the first 2/8 count. And marching is just simply stepping to the rhythm of the music. Let's slow down the video and really focus on the rhythm and know exactly when you should make contact with the floor with your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now in real time, and follow along if you're ready. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, we're doing this for 2/8 counts. Okay, we're gonna pause it right there. So next, we got the two-step. Two-step is basically a move we are relocating our position from one position to another, and we're using 2 steps to do it. All right, let's check it out. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Again, 1, 2, we move to our right. 1, 2, we move to our left. Okay, now let's watch this in real time, and remember, we're gonna do this for 2/8 counts. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we change. Okay, guys, so this next step is like the 2-step, but we're actually stepping to the back. Okay, we take a step and we take a step to the back. Step to the side, then step to the back. Okay, we want to check this out in slow motion. Look, step to the side, then we really reach to the back side. Step to the side, then back. One more time. Step to the side, reach back, really reach back with that other leg. All right. All right, now let's try to do this tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, remember, this is just like the 2-step, but extended back. And also remember, we're doing this for 2/8 counts. All right. Guys, so the next move, what we're doing is we're marching to the side. We walk 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and we turn on the 4, and we walk back 5, 6, 7, 8. What I'm gonna do now is play the video slow-mo, and I talked over it, and then we'll pause it as well to talk about what are the key points. All right, here we go. Okay, so as we're watching this, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk to the other side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's watch one more time. So this is on going right leg, right, left. Now on 5, it's left, right, left, and then we stop. So we're gonna watch this again, and I wanna talk about the key points. Right here, we're gonna march 1, 2, 3. I'm stopping right at the 3, so you can see that here we turn on the 3. I have to mention this because so many of you guys that are in class forget to turn on the 3, and by the time 4 comes, you're too late in turning. So start your turn on the 3. All right, so moving forward, and you finish it right on the 4. So right on the 4, now you completed that 180-degree turn. All right, now moving to the other side, and we stop right here. This is the 7. Same thing, we turn right on the 7. So the next, we could complete the turn on the 8. Right here, we're moving, and boom, right there it is, the 8. So now as we do it again, the second 8 count, watch this. You're gonna walk 1, 2, turn on the 3, finish the turn on the 4. Walk 5, 6, turn on the 7, finish the turn on the 8. Okay, so we're gonna watch this move one more time in tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So walk, walk, start the turn, finish turn. Walk, walk, start the turn, finish the turn. All right, guys, so this next move right here, I call this the dip. We're gonna break this down. First thing we're gonna do is watch this video, slow-mo, then we're gonna break it down so you guys see exactly where the key points are. All right, here we go. So with the counts ready, we're gonna go down on 1, up 2, 3, 4. Going down, up, 3, 4. So the legs are stepping out and together. Out, together. Knees are straight, then bend, straight, then bend. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is play that same part again, tempo. So see if you could follow along with that. All right. All right, moving on to the next step. This is actually a simpler version of a move called Lock It Down. Taught to me from Buddhist Stretch. Anyways, what we're gonna do is watch this in slow motion and then dissect it. And I'm gonna point out some of the key parts for you to look at. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now here, I really want to take the time for us to really understand how to count, because prior to this, everything is just on the whole number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're using the and count. All right, so this is very important. So moving forward, as you practice this move, you got to count the and 1, and 2, and 3, and you have to know what your body is doing on those and counts. So if you only focus on the 1, 2, 3, 4, this move is going to be really, really difficult, because within those movements, within those beats, there's the and count. All right, so let's move forward. And what I would highly recommend that you guys do is watch this video over again. And the first time that you watch it, only study what the leg is doing. Okay, do it with the count. There's and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Once you get what the leg is doing, then you got to follow what the arms are doing. For those that were in my class, we did our drills. We did the legs first, and then we did the arms, and then we put it together. What you're seeing right now is the end results of the arm and leg together. All right, so let's finish watching the video in slow-mo. Okay, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. All right, again, watch it, rewind it back if you need to, focus on the legs, focus on the arms. Okay, good. So now what we're gonna do is play this video one more time at tempo so you guys can see it and follow along if you can. Okay, here we go. All right, let's move forward. Next step, we're doing a pas de bourree. What we're gonna do is, remember, pas de bourree, also parts of it is the and count. You gotta make sure you understand the and count. And what we're gonna do first is watch it slow motion, and then we're gonna break it down, and then watch it one more time, tempo. Here we go. And we're finishing off, and get ready for the transition. Here's 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. So we repeat. Listen to the 1 and 2. So remember that there's an and there. 3, 4, there's no and, right? 5 and 6, then 7, 8. All right, guys, so I'm going to point out some key points to watch out for. All right, so right at the beginning, I want you to hook your leg behind you. Guys, I've seen this so many times in class where people, when we cross our legs, it's really easy to cross your leg in the front. But look at this 1 right here. Right on the 1, we hook our leg behind, okay? Okay, so notice on the 2, here's a 2. Look how much we're leaning, right? We got to lean forward on the 2. That's 3, 4, then 5, and 6, 7. I'm pausing it right here on the 7 to show that I'm leaning back. You see how I'm bending my knees and my chest, my head is leaning back on that 7 before I go back to the 8. And there's 8. We hold it right there. You see how I'm leaning forward on the 8. All right, so watch this. We got 1 and 2 that's leaning forward and lean back. 5 and 6, lean forward. And there's our 7, back on 8. All right, guys, well, let's do this one more time at tempo. Here we go. All right, now as Akua and I finish this last part, what I wanted to show you next is the entire class doing this routine all together. Here we go.